Tin Tool Guy here. So it's time for an update. Here's where we are. Bathtub area is all backer boards in. It has the well, the edges are sealed or whatever you call it. We put the tape on and all that. All of the drywall is up. It is mudded, taped, and primed. So it's going well, and even a lot of my trim. This window trim is in. Today's project is the cabinet. It's going to go in this hole right here, right there. So here's where we're at. It's all roughed in. It's going to sit on this 2x4, and there's a support in the back to hold the back. And then of course I'll just basically almost install it like a door. It'll require some shims. So anyway, here we go. Let's see if I can get this cabinet in its place. It's not that heavy. And we're in. It's gonna look really nice when it's all painted and the trim's on. Custom drawers and custom doors. Built by Tin Tool Guy. And signing off.